Just know this truth with me today. There's but one God, one mind, one power. And that power is perfect love. It's divine intelligence. That power is flowing through me. It's empowering me. Every cell of my being radiates with this right knowing. This power is calling me on to be the best of myself. So here today, I turn loose of every doubt and every fear. I look past all the shadows of the world, for that's all they are, shadows. They have no power. They flee my right knowing like the shadows fled the morning sun. I am here in life to experience God's love, its joy, its kindness, and compassion. I am here to look out onto the world and be awed with all the beauty, all the love of all of God's children. This is my truth. I celebrate this right knowing, and I release this prayer unto the mind of God to do its good and purpose, bold and dynamic work, returning to me multiplied abundantly. And together we say, and so it is. All right, my dear friends, know this truth with me. Your life is not a problem to be solved. It's a miracle unfolding. Your job today is to go name your miracle, proclaim your miracle, and to make it your own. God bless us all. Now let us go be the miracle God has called us to be. Until we see each other again, Reverend Ken, many blessings. Hi, this is Reverend Ken. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to like and share our video and comment on the video. It will mean a great deal to us. It will help spread our message out to a wider audience. So again, be sure to like us, to make a comment about us, or to share it with all your friends. It will do a great deal of good. Thank you so much.